Hey Shilpa, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good, sir. What about you, sir?
Yeah, I'm good too. Thank you. So, Shilpa, can you tell me what is the difference between method overloading and method overriding?
Method overloading is a or method overloading is a one of the type of the method with the same multiple method with the same name or different parameters in class. Method overriding is to redefine the already defined methods in the parent class to redefine in the subclass. It is the method overriding.
Okay. What is constructor?
Constructor is a one type of the method to create and initialize the objects and methods.
Mhm. Why do we use constructors? What is the purpose of having constructors?
Uh, to reuse the code, construct to reuse the codes and
To reuse the code and to, you are telling something about objects,
yeah, creating the objects.
right? So, see, constructors are nothing but those are special methods in Java, right? They are used to initialize the objects. Right? You mentioned it
Yes.
correctly. They are used to initialize the objects. Now tell me, what is the
Okay.
difference between constructor and a method?
Uh, in methods can be methods. If you mention that methods, it has the body. In constructors, no body. No, no.
So
Okay.
constructors will have a body, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Constructors,
Constructors
no.
will have a body, right?
Okay.
See, you can have the constructors as the same name as that of a class name, but with respect to
Yeah,
methods,
same
that
name
is
with the.
not possible, right?
Yes.
Methods will not have same name as that of a class name, right?
Yes.
Constructors can be, you can have a single argument constructor, you can have no argument constructor, you can have parameterized constructor, right? Those
Yes.
things are possible.
Okay.
Okay. So can you write a code for method overloading and method overriding?
Method overloading.
Yeah, I'm giving you screen sharing rights. You have to click on share screen button, whichever IDE or Notepad++, whichever you're comfortable with, you can write the code in that. Can you click on share screen button, please?
Yes, sir. 1 minute.
You can write the code in Notepad++ or IntelliJ, whichever you are comfortable with.
Yeah. Intelligence.
Can you share your screen?
Yes, 1 minute.
Yeah, yeah. No problem, no problem. Take your time.
Yeah, it's opening. That's
Yeah, yeah. Not an issue, not an issue. Take your time. You have to write 2 programs.
Sir, how to take this taskbar? Actually, it's not visible my screen.
Okay, you are unable to see. I mean, the share screen option is there, right?
Yes, sir.
So that box is there, no? You can move it at the top. You can click on that and move it at the top.
Yeah.
Are you able to see your screen now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can move it top, bottom, wherever you are comfortable with.
Okay. Sir, shall I write in notepad?
Yeah, whichever tool you are comfortable with. Not an issue.
So something is confusing.
Yeah, Shilpa, you're
Yes,
done?
no, sir, actually confusing.
Okay, okay. So currently your IntelliJ screen is visible. Can you share your notepad screen so I can see that? You need to stop sharing your IntelliJ screen and start sharing your notepad screen. Okay, perfect. So which one you are trying to write first? Overloading.
Overloading.
Okay, okay. Fine. So what you are trying to do here is a method overloading, simple program you are trying to write. Okay. Can you explain what you have written so far?
Sir, actually in method overloading is the multiple methods with the same name. I'm using method one.
Correct, correct. Then,
Mm. Multiple method with the same name.
okay. But different parameters,
Different parameters. Yes.
right? So what you have done here is you have written void
Mm.
M1. What is the parameter in that?
Actually, it is the norm parameter in name one.
Okay, okay, no parameter in that. So you can keep at least two parameters you can keep. So what you do is you create M1 method with two parameters. You create second M1 method with three parameters. Right? So you create one M1, yeah, with two parameters, you keep integer A, comma, integer B. Okay. And within this, you write integer sum. You create one more variable, integer sum, above system.out.println, integer sum equal to A plus B. No need to write integer A comma B again. It's already declared.
Yeah.
Just write integer sum. We are creating a new variable. Yeah, in the print, you can do sum itself. Don't write this in a double inverted comma. Otherwise, it will print SUM. Just write sum for now. Sum. Yeah, yeah. And in the above line, create one more variable, which is integer sum. Sum is a new variable.
Yes.
Integer sum equal to A plus B, semicolon. That's it. Simple.
Yes, sir.
Now don't close this after system.out.println. Just close one braces. So your void M1 is getting closed here,
Yes, sir.
right? If you put two braces, no, then what is happening?
Class
Your
will.
class will be getting closed,
Yeah.
right? Now you create one more method,
Yes, sir.
right? Okay. Now you add the parameters in this. Are you able to get the context?
Sir, adding here only adding or using three parameters, sir?
Yes, three parameters. So add one more parameter. So A, B, and add C as well. Overloading, right?
Yes, sir.
Copy paste from above itself. Copy paste. Yeah, perfect. Paste it. Right. And in the sum, this time you add third variable as well.
Yes.
Don't save it for now. Let's complete the program first.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In system.out.println you write T you add. println.
Sorry, sir.
Println, println. Print. After n, you write t as well, right? Okay.
Yes.
Now within the main method, what we will do is we'll create an object of your class,
Yes.
right? So how you'll create the object?
Using the class name followed by the object name equal to name using
Yes.
the keyword name.
Yeah. So do it. Class name. Take that class name. Copy paste itself. Copy. Yeah. Copy paste it. Okay.
Yes.
Just put bracket and semicolon. Now you use this object,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
Object.
Yeah.
No, just use this
Object
object
name.
which you have created.
Yes.
Yeah. Obj x dot,
M1.
yeah, m1. Now, if you keep two parameters, let's say if you want to add 10 and 20. So if you keep two parameters, then it will go to the void m1 with two parameters,
Okay.
right? So if you keep three parameters, 10, 20, 30, then it will go to the three parameters like that. So this is the concept of overloading.
Okay.
Simple,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
Great, great. Very nice. So you were able to write the program. That's a great thing.
Actually, what I'm did, sir, I'm go through only for theory.
Okay. No worries. No worries. No problem at all. Okay. So let me ask you now some theoretical based questions.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. What is class?
Class is a blueprint of the object.
Hmm. So can you give me some examples of a class?
Example of the class.
Hmm.
For class.
Any example which you are able to recall for class as well as for object?
Object, animal is an object.
Hmm.
In that that animal is uh, moving or eating, walking. These are all will come for class.
Hmm. So can you give some example of?
Actually, if I take home, uh,
Hmm.
home is the real entity. That's the object. If
Right.
we are building that blueprint, will prepare before going to the build a home.
Right.
That class.
Okay. So you have the class and you have objects in Java. So class is a
Yes,
blueprint. So you can consider as one of the template which you get to know when some houses are building. So you'll get that blueprint. That's a template. And
sir.
your actual home becomes your object itself. Okay. What is inheritance?
Inheritance is the one of the type of the object-oriented programming languages,
Hmm.
and it is used to inherits the properties from the one class to the another class. That's the super class to the subclass.
Great, great. So which is the keyword that is used in inheritance?
Extends
Extends is a keyword. Okay. How many keywords are there in Java?
more than 63 plus.
Okay, fine. What are data types in Java?
Data type is a container. That is the size of the variable.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so you will use the data type to declare the value for a variable. Okay, which are the different data types that you are aware about?
Actually, in data type, two types of the data types are the primitive data type and non-primitive data types.
Okay, great.
Primitive data types into short byte is here, byte short into long and flow, long float double. char, and booleans. In non-primitive data types, array strings, these are the non-primitive data types.
Okay, so you are having non-primitive data types. Okay. And which one did you tell in your primitive data types?
Sorry, sir.
Which data types did you mention in your primitive data types category?
Integer,
Integer. Then
integer, float, long, double, double,
mm-hmm. Yeah. Which are the different types of constructors that you are aware about?
constructors. No argument constructor, parameterized constructor, and one more is there,
And default constructor.
default constructor.
Yeah. Okay then. Thank you so much, Shilpa, for connecting with us today. It was nice
Thank you.
talking to you and wish you all the best for your career ahead.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.